tip of my nose and the bridge of my nose. Oh, I'm using the Essence Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer if you are new here, and for my returning subscribers, thank you for coming back. So in today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how I do my typical everyday makeup look. That shouldn't last you for more than 20 minutes. Like 20 minutes you should be done doing your makeup. So if you would like to see how I achieved this everyday makeup look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so firstly we are going to be priming our face with the NYX Bear With Me Daily Moisturizing Primer with SPF, and I'm using this because I'm going out today, so I need SPF and I also need to prime my face. So we are going to be using this 2-in-1 product, and I like to use this because when I'm rushing to school, I don't have time to be using like both an SPF and a primer. So a product that does both of them is very, very good. For this makeup tutorial, it's not going to take anything more than 20 minutes. It's really, really fast. It's what I do every day when I'm going to school, when I'm running errands, and I just need to like do my makeup and get it done fast. This is typically what I do. Okay, so to blow my pores on my nose, like just like reduce the oil that's going to be produced later in the day, I'm going to be using this Barry M skin blurring primer. Just going to put that around my nose area, because this stuff really, really works. Like, it works. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation in 12.7. This is like my go-to product. I'm going to blend that in with my damp beauty sponge. I love this foundation for an everyday makeup look because it covers my scarring, my dark spots and everything, but it's not like so full coverage. It gives me the right amount of coverage I need for like the makeup kind of no makeup look. So this is like really, really good for that. I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer to color correct a little bit around my mouth, a little bit under my eyes. Because this concealer is like a little bit darker than my skin shade, so it's going to help to hide those blackness or those dark areas around my mouth and under my eyes. For concealer, I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in Warm Sand. set my face, I'm going to be using the Sasha Buttercup setting powder, loose setting powder. Just make sure I don't have any creases under my eyes before I go into sets. Just slightly pressing that powder into the concealer. I'm not baking, just pressing the powder into the concealer. To set the rest of my face, I'm using my Milani Compact powder in warm. For bronzer, I'm going to be using the Revolution Pro Sculpting Bronzer in Enrobe. Use this to contour and also to bronze. Well, not necessarily to contour, just to give my face some dimension and shape and warmth. I'm going to lightly contour my nose. And I'll use my setting powder to shape it. So for blush, I'm going to go in with my Sleek Trio blush palette, this pinky shade right here. I'm just going to apply that on the apples of my cheeks. Okay, so next up is brows. And for my brows, I don't really do too much. I'm going to be using this Essence Tiny Tip Precise Brow Pen. And what I'm going to do with this is to create fake like hair strokes. I want my brows to be as natural as possible, and this helps me achieve that. My brows really don't take me time to do. It takes me like 5 minutes. To make sure my eyebrows stay in place all day, I'm going to be using the Essence Lash and Brow Gel Mascara. It looks like this. I'm going to come through it. I'm not going to like, what's it called, to like carve under my brows and to shape them, because I want them to look like I did them, but I didn't do them. If you get what I mean. And to prime my eyelids, I'm going to be using the Faced BTW Concealer again. I'm not going to be doing eyeshadow. I'm just gonna make it simple, like freaking simple. To set the concealer, I'm going to be using the same setting powder. It's going to make sure I don't have any creases on my eyelids. I'm going to be using this brown shade from the Makeup Revolution related eyeshadow palettes, Newtrals 2 collection. And I'm just going to be putting this on the outer edges of my eyelid. For my lash line, I'm going to be using a small blending brush and using that same shade of eyeshadow, and I'm going to pack this under my eye, under my lash line. When I want my makeup to look as natural as possible, I do not like using black eyeliners. Normally I'll use a black eyeliner on my waterline, but when I want a natural makeup look, I like to use brown and just smoke it under my lash line. Now I'm going to be using this shade, this and I think these two shades. I'm going to mix them together, and I'm going to put that on my eyelid space and my inner tear duct. Mascara, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Telescopic mascara. This mascara, you need to get your hands on it, like you need to. The lash wand is so tiny, like it's so tiny. It's so tiny, so it's like elongates your lashes, like it elongates. That is my lashes after one coat of this mascara. So bomb and very affordable too. I like to use a spoolie and just do it like that. I don't like it to be clumpy and sticking together. This just helps make sure that they are one. Oh shit, that was painful. That's it for my lashes. For my lips, I'm using the Essence lip liner in 30. For lipstick, I'm using the Sleek Lip Gloss Soft Matte lipstick. In what shade? Does this have a shade? What shade is this? Okay. Doesn't have a shade. For lip gloss, I'm going to be using the NYX Butter Gloss in Praline. And I'm just going to put this on the edges of my mouth where I line my lips. For the center part of my lips, I'm using the Essence Shine Wet Look Lip Gloss in Friends of Glamour. It's a very pinkish gloss, very subtle pinkish. So freaking nice. I have like 5 of these glosses. Affordable and nice. Okay, that's it. Now, to highlight my nose, I don't like to highlight my face when I'm doing like an everyday glam. I just like to only highlight my nose areas, the tip of my nose and the bridge of my nose. Oh, I'm using the Essence Born Awesome palette, this shade. And that's pretty much it. Like, I'm done. To set my face, I'm using the Essence Bear With Me Prime Set and Refresh Setting Spray. Okay, so this is the end of the video. This is it. Like, this is it. Very simple. If you liked this video, please let me know down in the comment section. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and also please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so you are always notified when I upload a new video.